Australians are casting their final vote Saturday in the national election campaign dominated by the cost of living concerns that being closely watched abroad for the signs of a Donald Trump's inspired swing against the Conservative candidates. Also, Prime Minister Anthony Albanese of the Labour Party is facing off against the Peter Dutton, the centre-right Liberal Party, which is promising to get the country back on track after 3 years in opposition. Also, pre-election opinion poll firmed in the Labour's favour, but the Australia's preferential voting system and the declining dominance of the two major parties make it difficult to predict who will make up the 150-member House of Representatives. Also, Observer will be examining the result for the sign of a blow-up against the Australian Conservative candidates for the United States President Trump's World 100 days in office. After comparisons were drawn between the Dutton's policy offering and those of the United States leader, another centre-left Prime Minister, that is Mark Carney of Canada, which like in the Australia in the G20 and the Commonwealth nation as well as a United States ally, also recently scored an election win widely chalked up to anti-Trump sentiment. Also in Australia, almost half of the 18 million registered voters casted their ballots before the election day, and the remainder are expected to attend the voting centres to comply with the compulsory voting laws with the threat of fines for no-shows. Also, polling centres on the election day often resemble a series of small community fairs, taking advantage of the guaranteed flow of customers by selling what's known as the democracy sausages, sauce and maybe onions on a slice of a white bread. Also, the tradition began decades ago, but in recent years has become more organized with an online map built volunteers showing there and where the voters can find a ballot box with a barbecue. Also, everybody has to show up to the vote. As long as you're showing up anyway, we are not going to fine or charge. Also, the fair-like atmosphere of a sausage sizzle and whatever other fundraisers will be available on the day, said Alex Dawson for the Democracy Sausage team.